At Rockman Windows and Doors, our team of dedicated experts care about every customer we work with. We offer guidance and guarantee satisfaction throughout the entire process, including choosing, designing, and installing your windows. But at big box stores, you're just another transaction. Big corporate home improvement stores lack the personal touch. They have so many different daily purchases that it's impossible to focus on the individual buyer. They sell thousands of different products and don't have specific expertise in Windows. And most importantly, they can't dedicate the time to customizing the product for your East Hampton, New York home. Since big box store employees don't have the knowledge or experience to properly assess a customer's needs, they can't adequately make an informed recommendation on the best window option for your project. As a result, the homeowner will likely end up with a product that isn't suitable for their needs, or that doesn't offer the best value for their money. Additionally, without the expertise of a window specialist, customers may not have access to the latest innovations in technology, energy efficiency, or style. Big box stores don't take the actual customer into consideration, but we do. Our team here offers personalized experiences and products that turn any room into a dream space. Call 914-909-9430 today to schedule a consultation, and we'll get your East Hampton, New York window project started.